Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World of Art. Let's make this fish bubbling out of the water with these materials. First, take a rectangular piece of dark blue paper and roll it up as wide as toilet roll, 4.5 cm in diameter. Staple both ends and cut off the excess. Then fold the excess paper in half and cut it into the shape of a fin. Draw vertical fin strokes on them with a white marker. Also draw dots and a circle in the middle of the dots and the paper roll. Next, cut out two circles 1 cm in diameter from white paper. Draw one black circle in the middle of each one with a black marker and color it in. Paste them on the roll over the circle in the middle of the roll. The fish face is made. Then paste the whole roll onto a piece of lighter blue paper, fish face up. Paste the fins in the roll under the fish face, pointing upwards slightly. Lastly, use the white marker to draw bubbles on the light blue paper on top of the fish to make it look like it is bubbling out of the water. And your fish out of water is complete! Bloop bloop! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.